It's beach time! We are at Fiesta Hermosa event to get free stuff, cool things, live music, breathe salty air.
It's like wiggling. He's happy.
Carbonated government.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I'll go to the bathroom later.
Wanna try it?
Stay close. I'll get lost.
You have free stuff. You wanna taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, hold it.
Did you get there?
It's the same.
Zero?
Yeah, there's a normal
Zero
one.
Wolverine?
Ah, iba pa pala. Oh, magpina muna kayo. Yeah, there's a live snake.
Ganyan.
Hey!
You guys want to hold the snake? Touch it?
Oh, you wanna taste it?
Or you guys let me put it on?
It's Bart's first time stepping on the sand. Let's see what happens.
Dig a hole! Dig a hole!
Ayaw. Ayaw ba? Ayaw magpababa. Hi, baby.
It's like sand. It's like grass for him.
Ayaw.
Yung paa niya.
Tinataas. Ayaw. New enemy. Sand. This is Bart's first encounter with shark. With the sand.
Talino mo ah. Talino mo ah.
Di ba isang paa niya nakataas? And down. Smile, Bart!
What can you say about our 5-minute videos? Comment down below.
I hate to see bad self.
Wow, ang sarap.
The beach is so shaggy.
So many stuff.
But has to
parade down around the hills. I just